KIWAME Tokyo's Kubo collection offers a sophisticated and minimalist watch design that reflects a strong influence of Japanese aesthetics. The collection focuses on simplicity, balance, and subtle craftsmanship rather than using excessive decoration or a flashy appearance. The watches have an elegant and timeless style, making them suitable for people who appreciate classic designs with a modern touch. The clean dial layout, refined details, and overall understated look give the collection a premium and artistic feel. One of the notable aspects of the Kubo collection is its attention to small design details. Instead of creating a watch that immediately stands out through size or complexity, it creates appeal through careful proportions, textures, and visual depth. The design feels calm and elegant, which can make it a good choice for formal occasions, professional settings, or everyday wear. The collection's different color options also provide variety, allowing customers to select a style that matches their personality while keeping the same overall design language. The watches appear to be aimed at enthusiasts who value traditional watchmaking and appreciate the beauty of mechanical timepieces. Features such as a classic case shape, quality materials, and a refined finishing style contribute to the overall impression of durability and sophistication. The comfortable size and simple design may attract users who prefer lightweight and versatile watches rather than oversized or sporty models. However, the minimalist approach may not be appealing to everyone. People who prefer bold designs, smart features, additional complications, or highly recognizable luxury branding may find the collection too simple. The value of the Kubo collection depends largely on personal preference and appreciation for Japanese-inspired craftsmanship, as some buyers may prioritize brand reputation or more advanced features over design philosophy. Overall, KIWAME Tokyo's Kubo collection presents a unique combination of elegance, simplicity, and thoughtful design. It is a watch collection that focuses on personality and craftsmanship rather than trends. While it may not suit every type of buyer, it can be an attractive option for those who enjoy refined, minimalist watches with a distinctive character and a calm, timeless appearance.